Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing. Install Exif tool and make a quick backup so you can undo mistakes. Once done, gather the folder containing the photos and pick 5 to 10 samples. Run Exif tool with a preview command to read date, time, original, and modify date. This confirms the metadata you'll use. Make sure timestamps exist and note missing tags. This immediate verification prevents bulk errors later, so you correct metadata or skip files before modifying creation dates. Now you batch update timestamps using Exif tool so file creation matches embedded metadata. For example, map date time original to file modify date and file create date while supplying a date format. This ensures the file system values mirror the camera time. Use X to limit file types and R to process subfolders. Run a dry run or keep the terminal open to inspect a few results. Once confident, execute the command without dry run. If some images lack date time original, decide whether to skip or infer dates from nearby files. Finish by verifying changes. Run Exif tool again to read file create date and compare with date time original, and also check the listing in Finder or Explorer. If times are off, restore the backup and adjust the date format or include time zone correction before retrying. Make sure to preserve original file timestamps with P when appropriate. Troubleshooting tip: if you see systematic offsets, correct for time zone or camera clock drift using Exif tool's API or by applying a fixed offset and reapply to the affected batch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.